how to block and unblock people on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock people within the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to block people on TikTok. The first thing we need to do is simply navigate to their profile. So you can either search for their account, or if you're just scrolling through TikToks, select their profile icon to navigate to their profile. And then once on their profile, select the little arrow in the top right. And then at the bottom, select block. Confirm you do indeed want to block this person. So once you've blocked someone on their account, you won't see any of their videos and it'll say unblock. So you can first navigate to someone's profile and unblock them. But if you want to see a full list of all the accounts that you've blocked on TikTok, we can easily do that by going back, then just select profile in the bottom menu to navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then select settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, select privacy, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select blocked accounts. From there, you'll see a full list of all your blocked accounts. All you need to do to unblock someone is select unblock, and then that person has now been unblocked on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.